Good morning, students. Here we are having some problems on percent. See the statement carefully. What is given? Vikas spent 78% of his salary and saved rupees 5500. Find his salary. इसने 78% ही spent. उसने खर्चा कर दिया. Okay. So at first you will write he spent 78%. I hope you know the meaning of 78%. Means 78 rupees out of 100. Therefore, he saved how much? He saved how much? 100 minus 78, that is 22%. Some are thinking how 100 came, because here it is given a 78%. He spent 78 rupees out of 100. So he saved 100 minus 78, that is 22%. उसने save कर लिया. Okay. So now in the sum it is given he spent 78% of his salary and saved 5500. उसने save कर ली. Find his salary. We can suppose X be the salary. Then according to question, here we are having he saved 22%. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 5500 he saved. So we can say 22% of X equals to 5500. Can I say? Yes. He saved 22% of his total salary. That is X equals to 5500. So we need to solve it. 22 upon 100 of means only multiply X equals to 5500 to find the value of X. 5500 into 100 upon 22, going on 11 2s are 11 5s are 50. So the answer is 25,000 his salary. So here we are having one more word problem. See the statement carefully. Out of a basket of 200 oranges we are having 200. 200 oranges we are having. Total number of oranges. Total number of oranges. How much? 200. Then one more thing we are getting 100 were rotten. So simply write rotten. How much? 15% of 200 only. So can write 15 upon 100 into 200. How much rotten? 30. So how much we are having now? Left. इतने तो खराब हो गए. Left 200 minus 30 you have to subtract. So now we are having 170. Then what we are having? 10% of the rest. Here you can write oranges, or you can say to it remaining oranges. Here only some are having confusion. They are simply solving, but in the statement we have 10% of the remaining were sold. इसका मतलब है remaining. So sold. Now you write sold. How much? 10% of the remaining. How much? 170. So it will become 10 upon 100 into 170. 0 cancelled. 17. So How much unsold now? Therefore unsold oranges 170 minus 17, it will become 153, sorry. Okay, now what we have to find, what percentage remain unsold. Unsold oranges percent, it will become 153 upon total, upon, in the statement it is given total number of oranges, so total was 200 into 100, so it will become 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 76.5%.